Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a tiny little tool haul from Lowe's. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It's a Dewalt item that I got 50-something% off. Stick around. What is up, guys? How's it going? Alright, so I went to Lowe's, just randomly decided, I'll just stop by the Lowe's, see what's going on. This charger didn't have a box or anything, and it had been sitting at my local Lowe's that I go to all the time for probably, I don't know, 6-7 weeks, just sitting next to all the chargers that were in their packaging. It was sitting next to all the Dewalt and Metabo batteries, and I picked it up. I'm like, there's no label, there's no tag, looks like a brand new charger. Doesn't even look like it's been used. I mean, it wasn't even dusty. I wonder if people literally went and picked this up to go buy it and they thought maybe it was a display, or maybe somebody told them they couldn't buy it because it was technically their display. And I know for a fact Lowe's doesn't normally have displays of chargers. This is a 6-amp charger. I recently did a video where I picked one of these 6-amp chargers up for the full price, which was $79 plus tax. 8.7% tax is, can't think off the top of my head, but $79.99 plus 8.7%. It's $86 for one of these chargers here. It's $86.94. If you round up, it's 87 bucks. I just happened when I walked up to a gentleman wearing one of the Home Depot camo vests. I asked him, you know, hey, is there like a price on this? Because I didn't want to say I knew it was 79 bucks, but I'm like, you know, curious, is there like a price, or is this supposed to be sitting here? And I showed him. He's like, well, it might be a display. It might be why it's sitting there. And it doesn't even look like it's ever been used. It still looks like it was folded by DeWalt. And I showed him where it was sitting. He's like, oh yeah, it's sitting next to where it should be. It probably was a return or something, or somebody tried to steal it and the box is too destroyed and we couldn't put it back in the box. He's like, tell you what, I'll give it to you for 40 bucks. And I jumped all over it. I have one of these guys already. I use it for the 12 volt and 20 volt batteries. That guy is right here. It's the other 6-amp right there. So I'm going to end up moving this 8-amp and this 12-amp a little bit further down. We're going to put the 6-amp up here. So we have two 2-amps up here, two 4-amps, two 6-amps, an 8-amp on this wall, and a 12-amp. And then I'll have the other three 8-amps sitting right here. And, you know, it's an awesome deal. If you find one of these, ask. It's not, no sweat off their back. If it's something sitting on one of their shelves and it's got no box, they'll more than likely give you a discount. I couldn't pass it up. I got it for 43 bucks because the tax was $3. For $43 is way, way better than $87. So we're talking like 51 or 52% off. Awesome. Awesome deal. And, you know, just to test it real quick, because we're on a video real quick, I'll unravel this guy real quick, plug it into this cord, and we'll pop a battery on it. And he told me that he will give me a 30-day warranty on it. And if it doesn't work, just bring it back. No big deal. So, here's a 5-amp hour 12 volt, and here's a 8-amp hour 21700 8-amp DeWalt 20 volt battery. So this will take both 12 volt and 20 volt, and the reason it will allow 20 volt is 20 volt usually sticks out like that. So that's what you would see on a 20 volt. There's a stopper right here, and this one actually moves. Unlike the normal 20 volt only chargers, just to show you guys, it's solid right here. There's no rocker. This one has the rocker. The 6 amps actually have the rocker, and the 4 amps and the 2 amps, they just have this beveled cutout so you could put both batteries, because the 12 volt batteries require to be able to reach down to this knob right here, and the 20 volts actually need to reach up here, which is why this is like that. So just to show you guys, when you put a 20 volt battery on one of these 6 amp chargers, the actual slide on the battery will actually hit and rock this hinge forward, and it will literally lock into place, because this clip right here on the back side, the battery will literally hook, like my finger. Battery will literally hook. So the 20 volt batteries will lock, and even the flex volt batteries. Flex volt batteries charge in 20 volt mode, so you can put a flex volt battery on a 12 and 20 volt charger, and you can also put the flex volt batteries on the fast chargers, which are the yellow ones I just showed you, which are 20 volt only. And this battery, these 6 amp chargers are a little different than the 8 amp and the 12 amps. They, it's got a humming noise. That's interesting. I'll have to see if my other one hums. But the DCB 1106, these chargers, stage 1 is the first bar. It will flash. And then stage 2, this first bar will be solid, and this light will be flashing. If it's hot and cold delay, this light, the larger bar, will be flashing. And if the pack is fully charged, both of these lights will be solid. The 12 volt batteries, all the batteries have this little notch. This little notch right here. Including the 20 volt batteries, notch right here, and even the flex volt batteries have them as well. I'll just grab a 3 amp flex. The flex batteries actually have 2 notches. And then this is the 8 amp hour. You can hear that it actually locks in. 8 amp hours, well, you cannot push them off. You actually have to pull the release latch to pull them off. It does have a little humming. Not sure if the mic is going to pick it up or not. And these are mountable. I like that Milwaukee and Dewalt chargers you can mount. Makita chargers you cannot mount on a wall. It's annoying. But I did find a guy on Etsy that does make mounts for them, for like the dual rapid chargers or the dual fast chargers from Makita, that you can literally mount it to a wall. You literally, it's a clamshell that locks onto it. And then just because, to show you guys real quick, here's a flex volt battery. This is an old 6 amp hour, which is, if I remember correctly, 2 amp hour. This one will lock on as well. Charges just fine. This one you also, it locks, so you have to pull the battery off with the release button. Not sure if this one makes that noise either. We'll just drop it on here. This one doesn't make that noise. I'll have to give it a couple weeks to use it, find out if I have any problems with it, which I honestly don't think there will be any problems with it. But if there happens to be any problems, I can always go back. I'm pretty sure that they will just, yeah, this does have some kind of humming. It's going ching, ching, randomly in a high pitch. Not sure if the mic's gonna pick it up. Pop the battery off. There it goes. Let me know if you guys hear it. If you don't hear it, you know, it's alright. If it does any damage to the batteries, I'm sure the charger might shut itself down. I don't know. But it's $30. It's not a bad price. And I've had chargers make some weird noises. So, you know, and these kind of wish these 6-amp chargers were actually fan cooled, but they're not. You know, it's not really bad. The 8-amp chargers, fast chargers, are the original fast chargers. Those guys do have fan cool, and so does the 12-amp. Just wanted to give you guys a quick video on it. $40, $43 after tax is not a bad deal at all. And this 6-amp charger that I paid $79 for isn't making any noises, so it was probably more than likely taken back because of some kind of problem, but it's not a big deal at all. I'll test it, play with it, make sure it doesn't have any problems, and I'll let you guys know if there's any updates. But you know, if you find one that's not in packaging, you know, ask. They'll more than likely give you a discount. Do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do want to thank all of you guys that are subscribed, all of you guys that even aren't subscribed. As well as all the people that like and comment, as well as use the affiliate links, because the YouTube channel is now paying for itself. It's now picking up tools for me, not coming out of my pocket. YouTube has been paying me for the last several months, as well as the affiliate links are helping out. So now I'm actually picking up tools. I picked this up from the YouTube channel for $40. I didn't pay for it. YouTube, what money I got from YouTube because you guys watching paid for it, which is so awesome. So what I was always hoping in the long run, that the channel would eventually pay for the items that I show. And I do have 2 Milwaukee switch tanks. I got 2 of them for $400 instead of the $700 out the door with tax. Got a deal on that from International Tool. I'm waiting for those to show up. The channel paid for those as well. We're going to be doing, since the channel's paying for tools and stuff, we're going to be starting buying wood. We're going to be testing hammer drills, impact drivers, circular saws, sawzalls, jigsaws, impact wrenches, you name it. We're going to be testing it. We're going to be putting the 12-volt tools against the 20-volt tools. We're going to be putting the 12 and 20-volt Dewalt tools against the 12 and the 18-volt Milwaukee and the Metabos. As well as the Makita tools, and we're going to be picking up some of the new 40-volt Makita tools for the channel for you guys. So please hit the bell notification icon if you guys are interested in demo videos and tool testing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!